What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. In this video I'm going to be showing you a couple of ways that you can check the battery status for your Sony XM4 or XM5 headphones. Now before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. The first way you can find out your battery life is through the Sony app. So as soon as you enter the Sony app, right here towards the middle right side of the screen, you're going to find where it tells you your exact percentage, and it even gives you a battery sort of like indicator telling you how full the battery life and the Bluetooth icon showing you that it is paired to your device. Now, if you don't have the cell phone handy for any reason and you want to find out your battery status through the actual headphone, what you can do is make sure that the headphone is on. So in my case, it is already on. And then once it's powered on, you're just going to simply press on the power button once, and you're going to hear it tell you the battery status. And there you go. So this was my video on how to find out your battery status for your Sony XM5 headphones and the XM4 headphones. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.